Hi everyone, I just thought I'd give you a brief supplementary video that just shows you what's happening with Google Forms after the exam is actually with the students and then after they have sent it back to you. So just to show you how it can quickly give you the grades for the exams and now how you can take those grades and use them to obviously record on CMS for their final exam. So I'll share with you again the Google form. Right, so let's go to the form. What I'm going to be looking at, I'm going to pull up a class test I gave my students earlier because obviously this has been completed. The sample that I created for you in the first video was actually never sent to students, so it wouldn't have responses. But this is an in-class test I gave my students. It was worth 30 points. I had 39 students who responded to it. And obviously you can see email address is here for the students to fill in. And when you go to responses, it kind of gives you interesting data. So this gives you the points distribution. This tells you basically how many students did well. One student actually got perfect. 3 students got 29 out of 30, etc. And you can see that 3 students failed this particular test. It also gives you, obviously the most important part, the scores of each of these students with their designated emails. So all of these 39 scores are here. So that's obviously a really important thing. While you're actually doing the test itself and you want to bring it to a halt, which is, we talked about this before, this is important for the purposes of security in that you want to have a tight time frame together with the shuffling of questions, which makes the test pretty secure. This purple button here where it says accepting responses, at the end of your exam, you just click it and that stops all emails coming to you from the students submitting their exams. So as long as they know what the time frame is and you click that button at the end of that time frame, then you've got a relatively secure environment in which the students have only X amount of time to finish the exam and hopefully not collaborate with other students as a function of the shuffling. So that's a pretty cool feature. And again, you've got the marks down here, and these marks, if you want to convert them into a spreadsheet, you just push that button and then a spreadsheet, you don't see it here, but a spreadsheet has now come up for me that gives me the students and all of their grades. And so these are easily transposable into CMS to record the final grades. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Hopefully, again, if you have any questions, please let me know, and good luck.